You can see that my farm that I show you guys then. You can see how improved it was now. Thank you for your support. For my last life, I thank each and every one of you. So I just want to show you guys a little something in this life this morning. I'm still that Igbo traditional masquerade and culture. I'm begging you guys to follow me on my comedy page in the same YouTube, Mr. Talk to Me. MRTALKTOME. Mr. Talk to Me. Bikon, Sholunum na that my page. I need more subscribers for me to vision live there. Please, I'm begging. It's you guys that will grow me. I not get any other family. No, no. See that my farmland there. Me and my mom is here. We are trying to do some work. You can see the ground. We are doing some work here. So you can look around because my papa marry 4 wives. Oh. No be 2 marry, now 4. I'm joking. My papa married 2 wives. So the 2 wives, look at them land here. You can see all over the place. Look at, and we are doing well in our farm. I know that we not have much land, but we are doing well. We thank God because if say God not there, this land not go there like this year because Fulani people they carry them cow, they enter here every day. Every day by day, we and them they fight, they struggle inside our own farmland though. But nevertheless, what we go do? We not go kill person. We not go kill ourselves. But I'm still thanking each and every one of you for your support and everything. Look at everywhere. Look at it. Look at it. I beg, Mona support me. Follow me on my page. I gave YouTube, I gave Facebook. Comedy page. I beg, I need una support. I want to ask you now, when una go make here to be monetized? And I never want me we monetize this one. When that one go happen now? Now I share my ask you this money because I'm not sure the dream I get last night I not like am. Now make me come this morning there ask you this question. Mona not vex for me oh. Ask you onye ọ na-eme omume na-ebe obube. Ma aka na ndị Igbo kwuru sị akpa ọfụma alahụ n'ute akwịghọta. Ịkpara ọfụma akwa na ana ka ị ga-alahụ. Biko nke onye chinya jere Igbo traditional masquerade na-ekwu. Ịghọta. Ọ dịrị izu. Ọ dị izu ọ bụrụ ife ụmụaka mana mụnwa nwere my own title. Giving up is a sin for me. Look at my farmland. I beg Mona support me. I need una support. I need una support. I need una support. It's not easy. We are in the farm this morning to do some work. You can see me now. I deal with my farm too, so we are not joking because we need something to do. Our country is no longer smelling. Country are the artists. So I beg, Mona help your boy. Mona help me. I need una help. I need una support everywhere. I thank each and everyone that joined me. It's not easy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. I thank each and everyone for your support and for everything. I'll be leaving soon. I just want you guys to help me in case anybody wants to buy me money food though. My account number, I will just drop it. 2155 80 69.79. In case UBA, in case anyone wants to buy me food. Thank you guys for your support. Thanks. Leonardo, thank you for joining me. It's not easy. Thank you. It's not easy. I do easy, my brother. Not be everybody go feed one. I got to. So I appreciate the little that I see. I really appreciate. Una fit join me for my TikTok. Oh. If una go join me, make una comment on my comment section for me to get the boldness to enter. Special Nelsie, thank you for joining. It's not easy. I thank you. I can see you guys in the comment section. Thank you. I really appreciate. Please, like I was saying before, this is my farmland. When we started it, I show you guys. Me and my mom is here. You can see my mom over there. You can see her. She's doing. And you can see our next wife. And my small pikin, Shiamo. We are all family. All farmers, Shem. Ana alụ nke. Nekwe. Ana alụ nke. It's not easy. Mommy nọkwa there. We are all doing our best to make the rest. You get? It's not easy. I beg. Thank you. I thank each and every one of you. Ekene m niile nke onye chinya ichere. Achịkwa na nkiri ka a na-ekiri ododo ejiri ododo enyi ozi akwịghọta. Help our ministry. You get? We need support. Look at my mom, my beautiful mommy. Ishe. You understand what my mom is saying? He said that. Amen. So, like my mom is saying, onye nwere mmadụ ka onye nwere ego. No, na go make us grow. No, na go make us stand. Without my fans, who am I? Ono wakanje mono. No, na they used to make mouth. Without una, who am I? Without una, I go lead this 1,000 subscribers. You know they're possible now. And I may make onye. I thank you guys. Thank you those who are in comment section. Thank you. We still they do small. As you slow and steady, we shall get there. You get? I really appreciate. It's not easy. If it's easy, everybody go there here. But it's not easy, my guy. I shall tell each chef me, I don't know. My God, they do no be me, no be my strength. So guys, I really appreciate. We are here. Sham. So this is guy outside that is still talking this thing. We know there too. You get? Thank you. My face, I know she not fine. I know be handsome boy. Handsome, na God they do am. Beautiful, na God they do am. You get people made they cute, but we never reach that level. Very soon we go get there. I beg rain they come. I won't finish this work today. I don't want enter and tomorrow. You see. Yeah, now we never do it. See all that small glass that is going. We need to uproot everything. Look at the one that we have already uprooted. Look at how beautiful it is. You get? Look at how beautiful. Make una recommend me now. Recommend me, guys. Fans recommend me. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. Ngwa gị eziokwu. Nke bụ eziokwu bụ na ọ dịọkwara nwoke mfe. Ọ dịrị m mfe unu ga-amasị na agwa ngodo anya. Biko uche gị mụ na do me something na mụ na make me smile. Even though na even though na ego ndị ọrụ una go give me make I get people make go help me do all this work. It's not easy for me. Look at the land is too big for me. Only me and my mom, Shamna, is too big. Look at. For the few time I won't be talking, you guys will just be watching me when I'm doing my work. Thank you guys. When it's coming. But if you watch me a little, I will cut. You get? Yeah. Let's go there. Let's get our. Oh, this thing. What I do you now? This way, Nemereng again. Milia, or go no come Mergo. Emerengo again, no, Milia, Emerengo gun. Hey. So guys, I beg, Mona help me. It's not easy. Yes, Bonyo, I heard you. Mo want to cook a million at myself because all my one motor. Malaria. Or carrier. I may put a gun near the door. I'm very go carry away. Man, I show you, I love this all video. All Abiola. All of video. Love it, I love it. Because more will not get any matter with anybody. You get? Now it make me for this my culture. I know they do anything. Even limits. Now at times I go say I just do something new. I do that remix with some sound, but I prefer video. So my natural, my personality matters a lot for me. I don't joke with myself. I don't joke with my natural life. You get? So here we are. This one amaze. So we have to push and to support him to get there, you get? And cassava, you know, shy the cassava there now. I don't push hand for the waist. For it to be coming and humming. You get? Odogwu na-arị enu ngene nekwa mmadụ agbunemo ebe nọ n'ite na-eche echi ngene ma nne m amụ ụmụ nwa ngwụlọ tụba amụ n'ime ịkpa ma nna m amụ ụmụ nwa ngwụlọ tụba amụ n'ime ịkpa ndene nwoke m afọ anya ngene nwaanyị m afọ anya ngene odogwu na-arị enu bika aragbunemo ebe nọ n'ite na-eche echi ndene odogwu na-arị enu ngene When I know this music, now Mike Ejaga. Our storyteller. Odogu na-arị enu, Odogu na-arị enu, na-ekwe ma adagbu na-emo, ebe nọ n'ite na-eche eche. Ma nne m amụọ mụ, tụba m n'ime ịkpa. Ma nna m amụọ mụ, tụba m n'ime ịkpa. Nwoke m afọ anya, nwaanyị m afọ anya. Odogu na-arị enu, biko adagbu na-emo, ebe nọ n'ite na-eche eche nnene. Odogu na-arị enu nnene. Akụ ebube, akụ ebube. Kedu ife mere ụwa ji akpọrọ m n'ọnụ? Kedu ife mere ụwa ji akpọrọ m n'ọnụ? Ọ bụ mụ bụ mmọnwụ enweghị ji, ọ bụ mụ bụ mmọnwụ enweghị ibe. Ada aka onye bụ onye, aka bụ onye bụ onye. Ebu n'ihu gbado, pa na ayo. Alakọ na mụ na fada. Alakọ na mụ na fada ebe mụ na-eti egwu. Alakọ nakwa mụ na fada o. Ịlakọ na mụ na fada ebe mụ na-alụ ubi m. Ade ubi. What I mean by ubi is our farmland. Anọ m n'ubi, ubi ọrụ. Like people say, ubi ego. Now ubi ọrụ me do. Una never give me the ego. And I believe Okike Kerowa go bring the ego still.